Hello everyone, my name is Gajanan. Welcome to today's session. In this video, we will dive into AWS Lambda, a serverless computing service offered by Amazon Web Services. So let's start with brief introduction to AWS Lambda. AWS Lambda allow you to run code without managing servers. It's serverless computing service, which means you can focus on writing code without worrying about infrastructure management. So how does AWS Lambda work? First, you upload your code to AWS Lambda either directly to AWS server like Amazon S3 or AWS code commit. Then Lambda automatically scale your code in response to incoming requests or events. Now let's take a closer look at some key features of AWS Lambda. Here are some key features of AWS Lambda. Event-driven computing, event-driven computing. Lambda execute your code in response to events such as HTTP request, changing data or message from AWS server. Pay-per-use pricing. With Lambda, you only pay for computing time you consume, measured in milliseconds. There are no upfront cost or minimum fees. Built-in fault tolerance. Lambda automatically handles the scaling, monitoring, and maintenance of your code, ensuring high availability of reliability. AWS Lambda supports multiple languages like Node.js, Python, Java, and more. You can choose the language that best suit your application and development preference. Finally, let's explore some case use of AWS Lambda. Lambda can be used for a wide range of applications, including real-time data processing, web application, IoT application, scheduling task. So let's discuss real-time data processing in brief. Lambda can process streaming data from source like Amazon Kinesis or Amazon DynamoDB, enabling real-time analytics and insights. So for web application, Lambda can power backend service for web application, handling tasks such as user authentication, data processing, and content delivery. IoT applications, Lambda can process data from IoT devices, performance analytics, and trigger action based on that sensor data. Schedule tasks. Lambda can execute code on schedule such as daily backup, data cleanup, or periodic reports. That's a brief overview of AWS Lambda. I hope you all found this helpful. Helpful. If you have any question or doubt, you can ask me in the comment. Uh, Thank you.